Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got a Coach Mech camera to show you today. And it's in this lovely navy blue leather. We have got a fabric strap which is adjustable as well, you can see just there. It's got that lovely dark silver hardware, so we've got one zipped pocket along the front of the bag here. And then on the back, just get that zip back up, we've got a lovely big flat pocket along the back with a magnetic press stud fasten there. We've got a zip top closure, so I open that up and show you inside. And then inside there, we've got two sections. So we've got one section, one big flat pocket there, and then along the front of that big flat pocket, we've got a zipped pocket here as well. So that zips up just like that. And then on the opposite side, we've got two flat pockets. So we've got one flat pocket here and one flat pocket just here as well. So the condition of this coach, we've called the exterior very, very good. There's literally just a tiny little mark you can see just up here. But other than that, you can see that base is in a lovely condition. All those corners are very much still intact. They look beautiful. So yeah, there's just that one little mark just there, so that is why I've called it very, very good, because other than that, that leather and that fabric strap are all in a lovely condition. Again, the interior we have called very good. You can tell that it's not brand new in there, but there's no particular wear or signs of wear or marks for me to show you in there, so that's why that is very good. And then the hardware is excellent, there's no wear at all. You can see that lovely zip tag, still gorgeous, there's no scratching or anything like that on there, and so that is why we've called the hardware excellent. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got the coach care instructions, as well as a little coach product tag, and then we have got the House of Fraser invoice. So I'll just open that up there, that House of Fraser invoice there, and then we have the original coach packaging too. So if you'd like the exact measurements of this bag, go to the link in the description below. It's the link to shop this coach on our website, armcandybagco.com, so you'll find a few more details on there. If it doesn't take you directly to this coach, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But if coach is your thing, then all you need to do is get on our request list. Just let us know that you love this. We'll pop you on our request list, and as soon as we get in something else like this, you'll be one of the first today. We'll send you through an email with the link to shop, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly. So that is the request list. The exact measurements will be on the website, but I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So if it is any help, I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and we've got this strap, as I said, is adjustable, and the exact measurements for it will be on the website. But we've got it kind of on a middle setting at the minute. So that is what it looks like, sat on my shoulder like that, or it sits really comfortably as a crossbody as well, and it's just really nice and simple. And practical, but still very cool, and it's a lovely colour too. So if you would like more details, again, go to the link in the description below. Sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website, and have a look at the How to Sell With Us page. There's loads of details about selling with Armcandy Bag Co on there, so if you're interested in that, have a read through there, sign up to our newsletter, we'll send you through your welcome discount code, and while you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel, and then you don't miss out on any beauties like this one that we have to show you, and we'll see you later with some more.